how to enable or disable play tone when call connects on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here, so click on phone app. Now here, so click on this three dot icon and click on settings. Now in call settings, scroll down and click on call alerts and ringtone. So you will see call alert and ringtone is here. So click on call alert and ringtone. So scroll down. So you will see play tone when call connects is here. So if you want to disable call play tone when call connects, so turn off this button. So after turn off this button, you will see play tone when call connects is disabled. So if you want to enable call play tone when call connects, so turn on this button. So after turn on this button, you will see play tone when call connects is enabled. So you will enable or disable from here. So after the process, go back to home screen, refresh home. So that's how you can enable or disable play tone when call connects on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.